Uvuyakazi, she is not innocent in this situation. First of all, Uvuyakazi and Mpumelelo, they were once a happy couple, even though Mpumelelo was cheating on Uvuyakazi. They were posting each other on social media. Uvuyakazi was an understanding girlfriend. She was the main chick. So people want Uvuyakazi to be honest and tell the truth. Anyway, guys, so let's get to the story today. You know, the rules of the house. I'm Rani Pins and Vasala. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, and comment, guys. People are asking for your guys. You were firstly, you were not the main girlfriend. What happened for you end up in the first position? What if what Tirelo is doing to Vuyokas is the same thing that Vuyokas did to those ladies that were there before? Hey, so people are saying that being Mangani's position makes you to be Dululu. You expect everything until you became the main chick. That's when you think, right now I need to keep Dimasami. First of all, it might happen that Umpumelelo and Vuyokas, they were discussing this thing while she was still the Mamngani of Mojolo. When she get to the Mamkulu of the Mojolo, Vuyokas decided that, you know what, I'm not gonna stand for all of this. Umpumelelo will listen to me because right now I am the main chick. So people are saying that, Vuyokas, tell us what happened. What if you were agreeing with all the things that Umpumelelo was telling you, the same thing that Utirela she's doing? You thought you're gonna change, because something that Vuyokas always mention is that he thought Umpumelelo will change. But Mpumelelo seems like he's sticking to what he wants. And right now he has found his match, which is Tirelo. Utirelo does not have a problem. We are understanding. She's an understanding girlfriend. She's just laughing, enjoying her man. Even yesterday in Ganiza's Temple season 13, although Uvuyakazi tried to roast Mpumelelo, even mentioned that Mpumelelo has infection, Tirelo was like, I'm gonna stick with my man. So people are saying that Umpumelelo and Vuyakazi, they had a great friendship like Utirelo and Umpumelelo. Right now, we still remember when the Shendi of Queen Lily, Queen Lulu, the first person Umpumelelo to discuss, it was Uvuyakazi, because Uvuyakazi was the momcool of the relationship. But right now, if you take a look at season 2, is Ngani's time, we have realized that right now anything that Umpumelelo is doing is discussing with Tirelo, because Uvuyakazi is no longer the understanding girlfriend. She's just want to control everything. So people are saying that, what if Uvuyakazi, she is tasting her own medicine? They say that she tried to save this relationship by even getting pregnant. So guys, people are fighting on social media. Some are agreeing with Tirelo, while others are agreeing with Vuyakazi. Some are saying that Vuyakazi could have walked a long time ago to the relationship. She knew herself that she does not want to stay. She thought maybe Mpumelo will change. Maybe she thought maybe he will be a better man. But you know, one thing about his time, one thing about men that wants his time, they don't change. You can tell them 10 years, 5 years. If you don't agree with them, you have no choice to leave. If you want your peace, the only thing that you can do is to leave the relationship and find somebody else. But our Tirelo, obviously, they don't have higher expectation when it comes to Mpumelelo. They are just enjoying the relationship and nothing, there's nothing that they are doing. They're just, so people want to know that the Vuyakazi, are you sure you are innocent in this situation? Because what is happening to you right now, it's what you deserve. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think Uvuyakazi, she is tasting her own medicine, or maybe Utirela will regret later? Do not forget to subscribe to